Hey everyone, today I'm trying to make chicken curry in instant pot. So let's get into the ingredients we need. So for the ingredients, we have one whole chicken finely chopped into smaller pieces, and we have 2 tomatoes diced, 1 onion diced, and we have 5 green chilies and a handful of cashews powdered, and then we have poppy seeds powder as well. We need 5 tablespoons of the oil, and here are the spices. We have 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. We also need salt, and we have 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and we need 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So now the marination part, we are going to marinate our chicken with the spices we have. We are going to use all the spices, but ginger garlic paste, we only use half of ginger garlic paste. The rest will be used when we are cooking. So I have put all the spices into my chicken. Now I'm going to marinate it. As you can see, I left over some turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, and salt, which will be used in our cooking. It's time to make our hands dirty. We are gonna marinate the chicken and keep it aside for 30 minutes. The chicken is completely marinated. Also used 3 tablespoons of the oil which we put aside for marination. So we have the rest of the oil to be used for cooking. So now we are going to start the cooking. Turn on the instant pot and adjust the saute mode to low. Make sure the base is empty. Give a minute for the inner lining to heat up. After that, add the oil which we put aside for the cooking. So I'm going to take the oil and add it. Once the oil gets heated up, we are going to add our onions. After a minute, add the rest of the spices to the onions. We have our salt, turmeric, and ginger garlic paste. Add them back into the instant pot. Mix all the contents once you added the spices to the onions. After a minute, add the green chilies, poppy seeds, and the cashew powder into the instant pot. I have added the spices, cashew powder, poppy seeds, and green chilies. Make sure you stir the contents and don't make the base to be burned out, and keep the saute mode to be too low. So after a minute, add the tomatoes to the instant pot. Now stir the contents for a minute, and then we'll add the chicken back. Alright, stir the contents up. Now it's the time to add the chicken back in the instant pot. Our saute mode is still on low, so make sure you don't burn the contents. So add this chicken back into the instant pot. Make sure you don't spill the contents. Let's mix the contents with the chicken. So once the chicken is thoroughly mixed with the contents, we are going to close the lid of the instant pot and let it saute for 5 minutes on the low. So I have closed the lid of the instant pot. I'm adjusting the timer to 5 minutes. We'll come back after that. Let's make it 6. So 6 minutes are done. Now we are going to add half a cup of water into the chicken and pressure cook it. So since we have some amount of spices in the marination left, so I'm going to use the water with these spices and put it back in. So we took half a cup of water and I'm pouring this water back into the chicken. Now let's mix the contents and then put the lid of the instant pot and pressure cook the chicken for 10 minutes. Time to put the lid back on the instant pot. Turn off the saute mode, turn on the pressure cook mode and set the timer to 10 minutes. Make sure your vessel is in the sealing mode and will come. So it has completed 10 minutes. Now just release the pressure by pushing the vessel to the venting mode. So after removing the lid, stir the contents and make sure the chicken is cooked. You can check by just trying to break one of the chicken pieces and see if it comes off easily. You can see the chicken comes off easily, so it's cooked. So now I'll turn on the saute mode and keep it to medium and let it cook for around 5 to 8 minutes. So the chicken is still sauteing. I'm adding some salt and some garam masala powder to taste. Just mix this contents and make sure the base is still has some water and it's not get. Once you add cilantro, just stir the contents and wait for 2 more minutes, and then you can turn off the instant pot. So chicken has completed cooking. Let's grab some contents into a bowl and see how it looks. Here is our chicken curry. It looks very delicious. I hope you guys follow this video. Thank you for watching.